Welcome back, everyone. Guess what's in the car? Yes, it's gas tank time. So the tank is in. Let me give you a quick tour. Fuel lines are in. Got a little double action there on those. Brace is all tight. Got this in. It's all good. Put a little rubber up there. On both sides, I've got rubber running. Sorry for the camera work. I'm trying to do the best I can. So I got rubber running along here to keep, from having metal on metal. This, in case you're wondering, is the drain that comes from the gas cap area. I'm going to trim this as soon as I know how long to make it. Let me show you what was a huge pain in the butt, which is, I can show you from here. We're going to go in the magical journey inside the back of the car. I want you to look up there and hopefully it'll focus. See that? So that's the little valve. That's like a vapor collection valve thing. It goes to, you see that? So that runs up to the charcoal canister at the front. And the thing that was such a pain in the butt is I couldn't install that first and then put the tank in, because as I've complained about before, I have my exhaust welded, and so there just wasn't enough room in here to sandwich the tank up in there with that valve on. So I had to put the valve on after the tank was installed. And I want to say that's another thing I never want to do ever again. And the last thing that I'm going to talk to you guys about is this. You guys know that, so this is the sending unit, and you have to put it in, and then sorry about the glare, let's try to cut it down. You put this flange, or whatever it's called, retaining ring, and then you jam it up there and you rotate it, right? And it presses against the tank flanges here, and it locks all that in place. Now, I did manage to get it done, but I had to bend these a little. I bent here to get it started, this flange, and then I had to get that bent, and then I actually see the O-ring up in here. I put the O-ring in a vise to smash it down a bit, just so I could fit this. And I just want to say to the GM engineers who designed this that you suck. I mean, you don't really suck, but you suck. And I hate you, and I hope you have to put in one of these for the rest of your life every day. Not really, but it's just a pain in the butt. This whole thing is, I don't know what they were thinking. Anyway, that's done. So everything's good now. I'm gonna go get cleaned up, and that's it. I just have one bolt to put in the little valve up there, and everything back here will be good. And then the next thing is differential. All right, see you later.